facing the left, left hand overhand, and we'll do 10 with the left, 10 with the right, 10 with the left, 10 with the right. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and swivel. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's do the right hand facing the left, starting in overhand, 10 of these, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back to the left hand, facing the left and overhand, 5, 6, 7, 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last set with the right, starting in overhand facing the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's just try and do 10 repetitions. We're starting facing the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swivel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're bending a little bit forward when you're downhill skiing a little bit to the left side. Open your chest and look up while doing the swivel. It looks like this instead of this.